Hello student, how are you? Once again, I am with you. We discuss in this video about the class 9 biology chapter 2nd, the fundamental unit of life part 4. In this video we discuss about some topic like as structure of cell, plasma membrane, etc. So let us start now. Structure of cell. Thought their shape, size and activities vary. All cell have following three major function region. According to the cell shape, size and their activities, the cell following three major functional activities. First is the cell membrane or plasma membrane and cell wall. Second is the nucleus and third is the cytoplasm. The outer boundary of the cell wall is the plasma membrane. Inside the line, the cytoplasm, various cellular or cell organelles are inclusions are suspended in cytoplasm. Means this is the cell and this is the cell wall and this is the plasma membrane and this is the plasma membrane. So and inside of the cell some organelles present. So the plasma membrane covered all organism, or you can see that this is the outer cover of the cell, है ना? So these are the plasma membrane. You can see here the outer boundary of the cell. This is the outer boundary in animal cell. This is the outer boundary plasma membrane. This is the outer body. The outer boundary of the cell, the plasma membrane. Outer boundary of the cell is the plasma membrane. So this is the plasma membrane. Inside it lies the cytoplasm and this is the cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasm. Various cellular or cell organelles and inclusion and suspended in the cytoplasm. Many organelles like nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi aperture, mitochondria. These are the endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, Golgi apertures, vacuoles, mitochondria, chloroplast. These are the organelles. Means all organelles suspended in the cytoplasm. All organelles of cells suspended in the cytoplasm. So you can see here inclusion and suspended in the cytoplasm. And this is the plasma membrane. Most of cellular organelles such as mitochondria, you can see that this is the mitochondria. This is the mitochondria, chloroplast. In plant cell, this is the chloroplast, and lysosomes, peroxisome, Golgi aperture. This is the Golgi aperture, lysosome, peroxisome, and cell Golgi aperture, nucleus. These are the nucleus. And endoplasmic reticulum. this is the endoplasmic reticulum, are all enclosed by the unit membrane. This all organs enclosed by the plasma membrane. This is the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. So all organelles are enclosed in the by the plasma membrane. All organelles like as endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi aperture, and endoplasmic reticulum, plastid, mitochondria, all organelles. These are the organelles. These all organelles enclosed by the unit membrane. This is the unit membrane and they are all organelles enclosed. Chemical analytes had shown the membrane to be 75% phospholipid. In the plasma membrane, this is the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane has 75% phospholipid. Phospholipid 75% phospholipid. In addition, the membranes contain proteins, cholesterol and polysaccharides, and also added the proteins, cholesterol and polysaccharides. According to Singer and Nicholson, Singer and Nicholson, this is the scientist who discovered the cell membrane in 1972. Plasma membrane is made up of bilayer. Plasma membrane is made up of bilayer, means two layer, bilayer of phospholipid. Two layer, one layer and two layer. Two layer of phospholipid. This is the phospholipid. Phospholipid, two type of protein molecule floated about in fluid. Two type of protein: intrinsic protein, intrinsic protein, and extrinsic protein and intrinsic protein. These are two proteins, two type of proteins molecule floated about in fluid. Means two type of molecule floated in includes fluids phospholipid layer. Means in phospholipid layer, two type of protein layer. First is the intrinsic protein and second is the extrinsic protein floated in the phospholipid layer. Intrinsic protein, which completely the lipid bilayer, and extrinsic protein, which occur either on outer surface, on the inner surface of the lipid membrane. Means the plasma membrane built up by two phospholipid layer, and in between two phospholipid there are floated two type of proteins. First is the intrinsic protein and second is the extrinsic protein. Okay, you can see that this is the glycolipids and this is the extrinsic protein molecule. This is the extrinsic protein molecule floated in the phospholipid layer, and this is the intrinsic protein. These are also floated in the phospholipid layer. So the plasma membrane build up of makeup by the phospholipids, and in phospholipid floated the protein molecule. Okay, means the plasma membrane made up by the two-layered phospholipids, and in between the proteins molecule floated in phospholipid layer. So these are structures of the plasma membrane. This is the plasma membrane. You know about the plant. This is the cell wall. In plant cell, outer layer is the cell wall, and inside of the just below there are present plasma membrane. So these are plasma membrane, and you can see that in animal cell they are only present cell membrane or plasma membrane. Animal cell not have cell wall. Okay, so this membrane is the plasma membrane. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this video. Thanks.